Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you the ingredients that I use to make some creamy garlic mashed potatoes. So I start off with some potatoes. I have about 6 of the russet brand potatoes, some fresh parsley. Parsley always adds like a freshness to any dish that you're making. I love parsley. I love vegetables, greens, anything such as that. Next, I have my heavy whipping cream that you see here. I bought the heavy whipping cream from Publix, and the remainder of the ingredients I usually try to get from Sam's because you kind of get, more for your buck. So I have some ground black pepper as well as some granulated garlic powder. And these two I definitely got from Sam's Club. If you have a membership, go ahead, drop that comment in the section and just tell me, hey, yeah, I shop at Sam's too, or I have a membership. I have my salt, and then I have my fresh garlic along with some ground thyme. Cause why? Ain't nobody got no time for that, but we making time, right? I have some butter. Now, this butter, I believe I probably got from Sam's as well or from Publix. I'm a Sam's girly or Publix girly. And if you're a Sam's or Publix girly, go ahead and drop that comment in the section as well and be like, yeah, girl, me too. But yeah, so those are my ingredients, very basic. So I start off with washing my potatoes. Please, anytime you have potatoes, vegetables, wash them because they have dirt, germs, of course. So washing it under cold water is really good. That's what I do. But besides that, after I'm done rinsing it, I put it in this bowl here and I'm going to soak them as well. Just continuous washing because of course it has a lot of dirt. You don't know what your potatoes or any of that has gone through. So it's always good to wash it so you can ensure that you feel more comfortable with eating what you're preparing. So I have my parsley. I've went ahead and I minced my garlic, the garlic that you've seen previously, and I've already went ahead and removed some of the skin from my potatoes. I like to leave a little bit of the skin on the potatoes because I myself, I don't think, a little bit of skin on potatoes is going to hurt you. It's actually good. So I leave it on there. If you want to remove all of it, you can. And the ingredients I'm going to have listed in the description box. I always like to go ahead and mix them. If you watch my previous videos, I always tell you it's good to kind of combine your ingredients so it can make it easier. You're not just searching for everything. You have it right then and there. You have the certain amount measurements and it's in a bowl. So it makes it kind of easier. So it's a little hack you can use. So as you can see here, I have my potatoes in a pot. It's of course cold water. I put it in there and then I'm gonna, get it boiling. So I like to start off with my butter melting in the pan, and I'm gonna add the garlic, the fresh minced garlic, the garlic that I minced earlier. I'm gonna add that to my pan. The butter is hot, so I'm added to the pan. And this is me just showing you a clip of the potatoes boiling. Of course, cover it because it helps with the cooking process a little bit faster. After that, I'm going to strain the water from the potatoes. Isn't my strainer cute? I thought it was cute. So then I'm going to take the seasonings that I showed you earlier and I'm going to add it to the potatoes that I've had peeled and strained. So that garlic that we minced earlier and had in the butter cooking, we're going to add that to our potatoes that has the seasoning already. Just pour all of that butter, all of that minced garlic in that. And then we're going to go ahead and pour the heavy whipping cream into the potatoes with our minced garlic and butter. Also, make sure that it is room temperature as far as the heavy whipping cream. Then this is fun part where we're going to go ahead and mash those potatoes, right? We want to get like a good consistency. And this is also the time to give it, give it a taste to see if the seasonings are exactly what you like. For me, I thought I could add a little bit more salt to my potatoes because I felt that, some salt will make it chef's kiss. So, of course, I'm going to mix it with a spatula because I don't want to do too much, too much mixing. I just want to have like a good consistency. After that, I'm going to add my fresh parsley to my potatoes, and this is the end results from the ingredients that we used earlier. Isn't that beautiful? I just love the fact that you can turn food into something so amazing. You start with simple ingredients, and this is the results that we get. But I would like for you to tell me how you enjoyed this recipe if you tried it. This is a few pictures that I have that I thought the results honestly turned out better than what I expected. I love garlic. I'm a garlic girl. I love herbs. I love mashed potatoes, you name it. I love it. And if you're like me, go ahead. Don't be afraid to leave a comment for me, letting me know that you enjoyed this recipe or some of the ingredients that you just love from making this simple dish. So I wanted to also show you just a clip of the potatoes, because look at how we went from potatoes, regular plain old potatoes, and then we were able to go ahead and transform those regular potatoes into beautiful mashed potatoes that are garlic, just amazing, rich in taste. But I really want to thank you again for taking the time out to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time.